No cards? Thank you. Thank you for that. That's really contributing. Okay, I am super excited right now because I'm postponing studying apparently. And two, I got a package and I know exactly what it is. It is basically one of the most spontaneous purchases I have ever made in my life. But I had some money saved up and I don't know, like I said, it was very spontaneous, but I decided to buy a Nintendo Switch. So I'm gonna go open it now. Yeah, I'm excited to play it after my exam, of course. But let's open this thing. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh, look at my baby. It's so light. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, so one of the things I'm really excited about with this purchase is that, I don't know, as a kid, being the second child, I guess, I always got my brother's hand-me-downs. So like way back when, my brother, he got like the Game Boy Advance. So I would get his Game Boy Color. He got the Game Boy Advance SP, I got his Game Boy Advance, and so on. And I mean, we also had like the Nintendo Wii or like the PlayStation that we like both shared. And also the Xbox. Oh, I was so sad when the Xbox got the red ring of death. In the arms of the angel. But moving on, it's just really exciting to finally have, you know, your own game system. My brother purchased his Xbox One, and that's his. And it's just so cool to finally say that I have like my own gaming system. Albeit I have like my Nintendo DS, but you know, this one actually kind of feels like pretty awesome to have bought myself. Alright, I've already kind of, you know, failed at this, doing it vlogger style, but I kind of wanted to do those, open the box, explore its contents, so we're going to go ahead and do that because I am so bored right now. So I ordered the Zelda bundle for the Nintendo Switch. There are some that had like Mario Kart or some other games, I'm not sure. But it comes with this power kit. I'm not sure exactly what this is for. If this is like in addition to the power switch that it should come with on the package, so we'll see. And like I mentioned before, I ordered the Zelda bundle and it just looked really good. I remember when I first watched a BuzzFeed video of them testing the game out and it looked freaking ridiculous. I know one of my first games that I ever finished, like the story mode, was Zelda Twilight Princess, and so I think that's what made me really excited for this one. Moving on, the actual box itself, I think I have this upside down. I do. But oh man, I'm so excited, guys. No, I had it the right way. Okay, I had it the right way. So let's see, you get this screen, the dock, a little controller dock, I guess, and straps, and more wires. Okay, so let's open it. Oh, I'm really excited to play with this, particularly if we're like going out, like we're gonna go on a family trip or anything like that. That'd be really awesome. So let's see how the screen is. Oh, it still feels pretty warm. It's pretty compact. It has like the logo on it. Let's see, doing this one-handed is a little difficult. So bear with me. Okay, so it has like, I'm assuming it's like cooling. This is for cooling right here. Game card. I feel like I haven't seen that in like forever on gaming systems. At least we never really used it on the Xbox. There's the power button and volume. I think this is also the stand for it. Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay, and then you just stand it up like this. Would you look at that? That's pretty awesome. Okay, so that's that. Oh, and then on the bottom you have like the port, I guess, for when you do plug it in. My bed is a mess, I apologize. So here are the joysticks. They're so much smaller than the Wiimotes that we have from like the original Wii. It's been a long time since I've played that. But yeah, look at the size of that. Doesn't even cover the span of my hand. So that's that one. Here's the right one, and I played with Erica's before, but so basically you can attach something like right here to where it's not as awkward with this, not really sharp, but like flat edge. It has a more smooth design to it. So we can attach those later. Let's below. Okay, this is the boring stuff, but definitely needed. Let's see. Okay, so you can put your controllers. Oh, okay, so if you're playing like with another person, I guess that's where you attach the other attachments right here. But you can also, I guess, I would actually slide it in, but you put it on here so you can get like an actual like controller feel. That's pretty cool. What else we got? See, these are those attachments that you can use. Okay, and I think this is just like the power strip. I really don't know what the other one's for. I guess it's for when you're on the go, portable. Oh, maybe that's what it is. I don't know, I'll let you know. But yeah, there's the power strip. It's definitely less bulky than the Wii one, I think. It's pretty cool that they come with HDMI cords. Lastly, let's see what's over here. This one is the dock. Okay, we're gonna temporarily grab. Need my second hand, sorry. And there you go. Wow. How interesting. Oh, this is so cool. Now I can say that I feel like an official vlogger. Not really. I'm just doing this to be done. But yeah, I'm really excited to play this. Who knows, you'll get my like game review on Zelda in my next vlog. Who knows? I don't know. But until next time, bye! Good afternoon, guys. Today is, I don't even know. Today has been a very lazy day, and I'm totally enjoying it. Like, it's great. Feeling like you have no responsibilities. I figured I would, I don't know, try to walk a little bit, but I'm definitely trying to work out. Another one of my free drinks. But I definitely just needed to step out of my apartment because I've been playing Zelda all day on my new Nintendo Switch. It's pretty awesome. But yeah, looking forward to another free drink. Yay! Happy 4th of July / Happy Independence Day. We're starting it off really patriotically, if that's a word, with Indian food. It's my first time eating Tendies. It is with Natalie. Look at your patriotic shirt. Woo! Yes! See, she's a natural at being on the vlog. More people are awkward about it. But anyway, yay, good start. We're going to see fireworks. We're going to meet up with Camille and her roommate. and we're super excited for that.
Super excited! Love fireworks.
Yay! No cards? Thank you! Thank you for that. That's really contributing to the overall effect of this.
I know, I contribute everything to the overall.
Okay. After a long introduction, we are left waiting once again for the performance. So 2 of us have gone to go get some food, and then we're gonna switch off so I can get some dessert. But yeah, warming up over there.
Doing nothing over here.
Was studying earlier.
And now I'm super prepared.
Oh my goodness. And we're just gonna shift away from you now.